Girish Kunigiri is a trustee for the charity The Bridge Hopelessness to Hope, and this charity supports about 80 to 120 people who are homeless in Leicester. He has authored the 5-year mental health strategy for this charity, and this has improved the mental health care for these homeless people. As you know, a lot of homeless people have mental health and other problems, and Girish has worked with Primary Care, Turning Point and LPT services to help improve the lives of homeless people.
Lisa contacted LPT after returning from living in America. She knew she wanted to come back and do yoga classes at some point, but it was only after her son had been in hospital with an injury that she realised that she wanted to give something back to NHS staff. And at this point it's when she contacted LPT. Since last June, she's been offering 8-week yoga courses to staff in the evenings. And not only has been doing that in her own time, but has also been offering one-off classes for team time-out days and other kind of chair yoga things for staff.
Okay, so I nominated Malcolm to be Volunteer of the Year because for me, and I think for other people, he's been a real inspiration to the trust and to the people that he's worked with. I think that Malcolm is someone that is willing to give his time and his support to pretty much anyone he comes across, whether that's people working at a community bread club or whether that's staff that he meets. Pretty much any time that I see him talking to people, he's always positive and he's always really energetic. And I think for me individually, I think it's always good when you've got someone like that around because it brings out the best in you and gives you motivation and inspiration to do what you do.
Our voluntary transport service team provides service to patients across Leicestershire and Rutland. We have 22 drivers currently volunteering with us, and they help us to cover approximately 6,000 journeys every year. The team is very dedicated and committed to the cause, helping our communities and helping our patients on an everyday basis for many, many years. Our voluntary transport service team provides service to patients across Leicestershire and Rutland. We have 22 drivers currently volunteering with us, and they help us to cover approximately 6,000 journeys every year. The team is very dedicated and committed to the cause, helping our communities and helping our patients on an everyday basis for many, many years. Some of our service users fed back to us and said that the journey to recovery would not be the same without a friendly and recognizable face of our driver accompanying them to their appointments. I believe there are unsung heroes of our trust, and they really present the values of our trust at their best. That's why I'm proud to be working with such a great team, and I'm hoping that their excellence will be recognized and they will be rewarded for their positive impact on our patient experience.